So I friend, this is Ami. As sixth shift of examination is already done for April as of now. So here I am going to provide you for second, third, and fourth April marks versus expected percentile here, and soon I will provide you the category wise cutoff information also for all six shifts. So kindly subscribe this channel, and this is the updated data based on the re-review of the examination. That is, I have reviewed all the paper and difficulty level, and after that I am going to provide you the complete information, that is percentile versus second, third, fourth shift 1 shift 2 paper percentile, that is percentile versus expected marks. So here is the information: 99.9 for second April, 265 and 260 marks is required for shift 1 and shift 2. For 3rd April, 275 and 250 marks is required minimum to get 99.9 percentile for shift 1 and shift 2. That is, after slash the shift 2 information is available. For 4th, 255 and 260. For 7th and 8th, once the examination will be done, I will update this data also, and I will provide you all shift at once. So now I will discuss about 99.8, 250, 245 for second, third, 260, 235, fourth, 240 and 245 marks. Now I will discuss about the 99.6, 235 and 225, that is for second, and for third 240 and 215, for fourth 220 and 225, and for 99.4 percentile 220 and 210 for second, and for third 230 and 190, that is after slash the data is for second shift of the same day. For 4th April, 195 and 210. Now I will discuss the most important data, that is for 99 percentile 200 marks is required for second first shift, and for second shift 195, for third first shift 210 and 165 for second shift, for fourth first shift 170 and second shift 195. Here I would like to inform you about my complete counseling guidance program, in which I will guide you completely for all type of counseling across India based on JEE score as well as other entrance exam. Also on the screen sidewise you can check on the next session of this video, you will able to check the detail of my guidance, how I will guide you for all type of entrance exam, particularly for JEE counseling, JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh. This all counseling will take your JEE score and will provide you best college, that is government college. So I will guide you for that. If not, then private college, BITSAT, Manipal, VIT, COMEDK. So next section, kindly check the detail. So hope you get my point, that is detail of the guidance. For 98 if you talk, then 180 and 175 marks required for second, and for third 185 and 150 for first and second shift, for fourth 155 and 175 for first and second shift. Now for 97, 165, 160 for second, that is first shift and second shift, for third 170 and 140, for fourth 145 and 160. Soon I will update about the 7th, 8th also once the examination will be completed. Now for 96, 150, 145 for second, for third 155, 130, for fourth 135 and 145. Now I will discuss about 95, 135 and 130 for second, for third 135 and 120, for fourth 125 and 130. Now I will discuss for 93, 122 and 120 for second April, and for 3rd April 125 and 105 for 3rd April, and for 4th April 110 and 120 marks required. Now complete guidance for all college across India. So once you join this, you will get the best college by the end of this year academic season, that is 100% sure. Guidance for JEE, BITSAT, VIT, Nepal, Amrita, COMEDK, SRM and many other colleges like WBIT JEE, KSET, STCET, GUJSET. There are lots of college and college counseling also, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, multiple counseling. So get best college and branch for sure, that is 100% sure, as I am having the 6-7 of years of experience, and best strategy and roadmap for each exam, how you should enroll in examination, how to prepare for that, and how to get the best result, and then how to get the best college with best fee and best branch as well. One-to-one call, message, video session, everything is available, and counseling be one-to-one only, then only you will able to ask all the question. And until you get into the best college, I will be guiding you. Choice filling, decision making, that is very important thing that I will be doing for you. Personalized choice filling for you, what should be the correct order, decision making after each round, freeze, float, slide, what you should do, everything I will be guiding you. Now I will discuss about 90, 100 and 95 required for 2nd April, and for 3rd April 105 and 180, for 4th April 85 and 95. For 85 percentile, 82 and 80 marks for 2nd April, and for 3rd April 85 and 70 marks, for 4th April 75 and 80 marks only required to get 85 percentile. For 80 percentile, 72 and 70 for 2nd April, for 3rd April 75 and 60, for 4th April 65 and 70. For 75, 62, 65 and 57 for first shift. For second shift you can check after the slash. For 70, 57, 60 and 52 for first shift of 2nd, 3rd and 4th April. For second shift you can check after the slash. For 65, 53, 55, 45 for first shift and second shift after slash. For 60 percentile, marks required for 2nd April 48, 3rd April 50, 4th April 40, that is for first shift. Second shift you can check after slash. For 50, 40, 42 and 35 for first shift, 2nd, 3rd and 4th April respectively. For 40, 32, 37, 29, that is for first shift. Second shift you can check after slash, that is for 2nd, 3rd and 4th April respectively. So this was the complete information regarding marks versus percentile for all 6 shifts that has been done till now, that is for 2nd, 3rd and 4th April. Soon I will update for 7th, 8th also, and I will be live on this same channel again and again to solve your all doubt. So kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any update on the same channel. Thank you.